Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore the Git Checkout command. We'll cover its various uses and provide examples to help you understand how to use it effectively. Let's get started with exploring different uses of Git Checkout. So, what exactly is Git Checkout? The Git Checkout command is primarily used to switch between different branches in a repository. It allows you to move from one line of development to another. It can also be used to restore specific files in your working directory to a previous state, effectively undoing local changes. It is a way to navigate through your project's commit history, allowing you to inspect and work with your code as it existed at any point in time. Git Checkout is also used to create new branches. Now let's look at some basic syntax. To switch to an existing branch, you would use Git Checkout followed by the branch name. To create a new branch and switch to it, you use Git Checkout with the B flag followed by the new branch name. If you want to navigate to a specific commit, you can use Git Checkout followed by the commit hash. And finally, to restore a specific file, you use Git Checkout, _ and the file name. Let's see how you can switch between branches. First, list all the branches using git branch. This command shows all available branches with an asterisk indicating the current branch. In this example, develop, main, and feature/login branches are available, and main is the current branch. To switch to the develop branch, run git checkout develop. Git will then output, switch to branch develop. This confirms that you've successfully switched to the develop branch. The checkout command updates all the files in the working directory to match the specified branch. Now let's explore how to create new branches using checkout. To create and switch to a new branch in one command, use git checkout b feature/payment. This command creates a new branch named feature/payment and immediately switches to it. The output switch to a new branch feature/payment confirms the successful creation and switch. To verify the current branch, use the git branch command. It will list all available branches with an asterisk next to the current branch. As you can see, the asterisk is now next to feature/payment. The B flag creates a new branch and immediately switches to it. This is equivalent to running git branch feature/payment, followed by git checkout feature/payment. You can also use checkout to navigate to specific commits in your project's history. First, view the commit history using git log one line. This command displays a concise list of commits with their commit hashes and messages. To check out a specific commit, use git checkout followed by the commit hash. For example, git checkout E4F5J6H. Git will output a note indicating that you are checking out the specified commit and that you are in a detached head state. When you check out a commit directly, you enter a detached head state. Any changes made in this state won't belong to any branch. To save these changes, create a new branch from this point. Another useful application of checkout is restoring files to their previous state. This allows you to discard changes in your working directory. To check the status of modified files, use git status. This command shows which files have been modified but not yet staged for commit. The output suggests using git checkout file to discard changes in the working directory. To discard changes to a specific file, use git checkout src/app.js. After running this command, the file is restored to its state in the last commit. The _ separator is used to distinguish between branch names and file paths. In Git version 2.23 and later, you can also use the git restore command for this purpose. Let's explore some advanced checkout options. You can check out a specific file from another branch using the command git checkout develop src/config.js. Similarly, you can check out a file from a specific commit using git checkout a1b2c3 rename d. It's also possible to check out multiple files at once using git checkout head src/star.js. You can retrieve files from any branch or commit without switching your current branch. This is useful for selectively bringing in changes from other branches. Let's summarize the key capabilities of Git Checkout. You can switch between branches, create new branches using the B flag, navigate to specific commits, restore files to their previous states, and retrieve files from other branches. Git Checkout is one of Git's most versatile commands. Starting from Git version 2.23, there are modern alternatives such as Git Switch for branch operations and Git Restore for file operations. These commands split Checkout's functionality for clarity. However, Checkout still works and is widely used. Learning Checkout helps you understand Git's core concepts, and mastering Checkout helps master Git's workflow. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.